Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, developed F414 engine test stand for routine maintenance. India's quest for self-reliance in aerospace technology and capabilities has reached a new milestone with the development and supply of the F414 engine test stand by Chennai-based Acoustic India Private Limited. This remarkable achievement showcases India's growing prowess in the field of aeronautics and its commitment to indigenous development. Next, PM Modi congratulates ISRO on Gaganyaan test flight mission success. PM Narendra Modi on Saturday congratulated Indian Space Research Organization for completing an important test in India's first manned space flight program, Gaganyaan. This launch takes us one step closer to realizing India's first human space flight program, Gaganyaan. Next, potential site to be developed to develop airstrip for emergency landing at Coimbatore. In a significant development, the Indian government is exploring the possibility of relocating a crucial airstrip project from Villupuram to Coimbatore. The airstrip project aims to create aircraft and helicopter landing facilities on national highways, allowing military aircraft to be deployed for civilian rescue operations during emergencies, including natural disasters and conflicts. This shift in location is part of the government's broader plan to enhance disaster response and emergency service. Next, 3 Chinese firms have been imposed sanctions by US for supplying missile applicable items and technology for Pakistan ballistic missile program, the US State Department said. In the designation, the US State Department said on Friday that the sanctions were being imposed as part of the global non-proliferation regime. Next, Gaganyaan TV-D1 mission successful. Indian Space Research Organization Chairman S. Somnath on Saturday announced the success of the TV-D1, that is Test Vehicle Development Flight 1. In the Gaganyaan mission, the test vehicle was launched on the second attempt after it had faced an engine ignition problem at 8:45 a.m. Addressing the media, ISRO chairman said, "I am happy to announce the successful accomplishment of TV-D1 mission." Next, Project Udbhav, integrating ancient wisdom with modern military practices. The Indian Army is embarking on an innovative journey in Project Udbhav, a vision initiative that seeks to bridge the gap between ancient wisdom and contemporary military practices. Lieutenant General T.K. Aich, Deputy Chief of Army Staff Strategy, underscores the importance of this project, emphasizing its goal of integrating the profound knowledge rooted in India's ancient heritage with modern military pedagogy. The article delves into the significance of Project Udbhav and how it aims to address modern security challenges. Next, Thales vision for India. Thales, a global leader in aerospace, defense, transportation and security markets, is poised to embrace India as a vibrant and promising market. Patrice Kaine, the global CEO of Thales, expressed his enthusiasm for India's potential as a significant hub for the company's growth. The vision encompasses expanding Thales' engineering capabilities, fostering partnership with Indian Airlines, and even exploring the possibility of acquisition in key domains. Thank you.